been over 10 years ago that I've been to this place. I'm gonna stop and take a little kind of introductory here. It's been over 10 years that I've been to this place, and that's when I was still a teenager. There's the CN Tower Pride because it is June, and tomorrow on Sunday it's gonna be the Pride Parade in Toronto. So I'm here for a YouTube gig. Again, good morning. The sun is out. Sunny Saturday in Toronto, and yeah, I didn't get that much sleep last night because I was on a plane that left San Francisco really late. I arrived at like 7 in the morning here in Toronto, but now that I'm here, brings back a lot of memories. Canadians are such a nice people. And they say sorry a lot too. They seem to say sorry a lot, which is interesting. At least they are polite. Oh, do you hear that? There it is. That's actually the train that I rode coming here from the airport to downtown at the Union Station. And yeah. So let's go ahead and take more